Chemical properties of carbon compounds. Carbon is a very reactive element. Main chemical properties are listed. Combustion. The burning of a substance is called combustion. It is a process that generates a lot of heat. When carbon and its compounds are burnt, heat energy, carbon dioxide, and water are produced. Oxidation. Oxidation is a process where carbon compounds are easily oxidized after combustion. After complete oxidation, additionally, we have reactions in which carboxylic acids are generated through alcohols. Addition reaction. Hydrogen is added to unsaturated hydrocarbons in the presence of catalysts and produce saturated hydrocarbons. These catalysts are substances that cause a reaction to occur or proceed at a different rate without affecting the reaction itself. Substitution reaction. Most reagents are not able to generate any reaction from saturated hydrocarbons. Hence, these saturated hydrocarbons are inert. However, in sunlight, chlorine gets added to hydrocarbons. Since chlorine replaces the hydrogen atoms one by one, it is called a substitution reaction.